It's impossible to overstate the importance of salt. It's a mineral that we really cannot live without. It's one of our 5 basic tastes. It preserves food, it enhances depth of flavor, it tenderizes and moisturizes meat, and it can even change the molecular makeup of food. So there are 3 basic kinds of salt, and they have different qualities and slightly different uses. The first is table salt. This is the salt you'll find in restaurants and on kitchen and dining room tables. It consists of small cube-shaped crystals that pack densely into a measuring spoon. Table salt typically contains anti-caking agents, so it flows really easily even in humid weather. Table salt is our go-to salt for baking applications. The second salt is kosher salt, a coarse-grained salt that is easy to grasp with your fingers. It is the top salt in professional kitchens and our favorite for seasoning meat. The large grains distribute evenly and they cling really well to the meat's surface. The 2 major brands of kosher salt are Morton and Diamond Crystal, and their crystal sizes differ. Diamond Crystal salt doesn't pack as densely as Morton salt, so if you're measuring by volume, you need 50% more Diamond Crystal salt to equal the saltiness of Morton. The third salt is sea salt. Now this is produced by evaporating seawater. It's irregularly shaped and has a higher mineral content than either table or kosher salt. We prefer sea salt as a finishing salt, sprinkled on the food just before serving. Its large, flaky crystals enhance texture and provide a delicate, satisfying crunch.